This is the father elephant, the largest one that I have. You know, 4 feet 3 inches long and 1 feet 10 inches wide. Huge piece, you know, from 3 feet 5 inches from ground. You know, this is the master of all elephants, not all different sizes, but this one take over 2 years to make one piece. The root of the wood on and off work, you know, solid. It's a cedar root, whole roots, yeah. And these carving that you are seeing, you know, is like over 17, 18 years old. These are not newly finished, you know. All of these are masterpieces, yeah.